watch us float. Where the weather wonders, come and see. What's the weather, what will it be? Sunny, rainy, windy, snow. Let's learn together, here we go. Whoosh goes the wind, it spins my kite. Flying high and holding tight. Leaves are dancing, hats may blow. Hold on tight and feel it go.